Have you heard of Emercoin? What is Emercoin in a nutshell? What the Bitcoin is to currency, Emercoin is to the web. Simple. So you might be asking, what are some of the stuff they want to do? Let's see that. Emercoin has the Emercoin SSH. So SSH is a system of public infrastructure and access control list management on the Emercoin blockchain. Wow. Those who know about SSH can actually check it up. And then Emercoin offers what they call the Emercoin SSL. So there will be passwordless authentication for websites. What remain and others are second to them. SSL has been in the game. And then SSL, they have their own, Emercoin have their own electronic business card that you can use with your EMC SSL. And then they also have the EMC DNS on censored domain name system pairing with OpenNRC. They have the MCTTC, which is a trusted storage for digital timestamps on the blockchain. And then you have the Magnet, distributed torrent tracker for internet file sharing. So you want to share your file, you can actually track and see where it's actually going. Then you have the MCNNS, distributed pay-per-click advertising network. So they also are in the advertising space. Then they have the DPO, which is the digital proof of ownership solution. Anything that has to do, that's why I told you that on the Bitcoin network, Bitcoin is to money. Why? Emercoin is to the internet, to the web, from advertising to how you access websites to SSL, which is your security socket layer like this. To assets that are stored on the website, on the internet, how you track them, everything will be provided by SSL. And even a business card. Come on. And you can see some of the timeline results. Launched in 2013 as a fork of Bitcoin. In 2014, they added STN IP discovery to remove users centralized commission service. Added named value storage, universal trusted platform for storage for external blockchain services. They implemented the DNS, a decentralized domain name system that provides irrevocable domain names and robustness to the DNS infrastructure. So you create something with the EMA system, a domain name, irrevocable. 2015, they invented and implemented blockchain-based security services, EMA SSH, worldwide public key infrastructure and access control list, EMA SSL, passwordless identification and secure web login, InfoCard, electronic business card, working together with EMA SSL, invented the concept of EMA DPO, EMA TTS, and Magnet. In 2016, established partnership with Microsoft Blockchain as a Service and released blockchain engine. First reuse of EMA DPO, Colonial Farm shares. Distributed and dynamic checkpoints. Emercoin included in Red Hat's catalog of certified programs. Listen, I checked this thing up. The Red Hat, they have one of the biggest open source community, Red Hat. So you're saying that we included in the catalog of certified programs. Come on. They have the 3-in-1 mining mechanisms. So they combine proof of stake, proof of work, and merged mining. Lots of coin improvements, including full decentralization. You incorporated into space, shapeshift and coin reform. Invented and implemented the Emercoin, a blockchain-based telecommunication platform. Set up public testing with Web Explorer. 2019, they intend to release the core wallet, which with implemented SegWit and improved core kernel, complete implementing Atom Seg protocol to escrowless peer-to-peer said NVS record, DNS, line title and all that. Line title, implement second generation of lottery model aggregation. Then in the next 3 years, here's what they seek to do. Improve and popularize existing exchange and develop new products. Integrate with bootfirm SON protocol. Integrate with Lightning Network. Develop our own browsers based on the Chrome engine to provide a bundle of Emercoin services that are out of the box. Create our own certificate of authority to establish partnership with existing CA to generate SSL certificates for websites located in the MR domain and system domain. And you can see some of the partnerships they have. They are in the news. Bit for a hash pattern, Internet of Things. They have a very solid theme. This is one of the projects you want to actually pay attention to. You want to study about what they are seeking to do. They have a lot of things on their website. So this video, let's play this video.
Imagine a technology so powerful, it has the ability to solve many of the world's problems. The forging of ownership and identity documents. The need for complex password-based authentication systems. And the censorship of data across the internet. Introducing Emercoin, a leading digital currency and shared ledger platform that focuses on creating true, innovative services that revolutionize the way the world conducts business. Utilizing the power of blockchain technology, Emercoin has created a suite of ready-to-use services that scale to fit the diverse needs of all users, from governments and banking institutions to the rapidly growing digital consumer base. Emercoin also specializes in the development, implementation, and support of custom-made tools to help you utilize the Emercoin blockchain to its full potential. With an internationally comprised team that shares a united vision, Emercoin is poised to become the top digital currency and blockchain platform choice on planet Earth. So isn't it time you got yourself some Emercoin?
In a nutshell, what Bitcoin is to currencies or money, Emercoin is to the internet.